Hey guys, welcome back to Choose Your Own Path. Today, what are we going to tell you? Well, we have another brand of filament that we want to, I asked, but we were asked back to test out. This is from China, the good man's business. Okay, so I don't want to fuck this up, but I can't pronounce that. Xingtong Zillion. That's the name of the company. Okay, so this is right from China. A lot of our brands are. We see them. There's a lot of Canadian brands out there, but these guys really want to have help and to show out their brand of filament. You can see it's 3D printer filament, little to no order, 0.02 millimeter high precision, quality material, no warping, good mobility printing, is smoother, no bubbles, beautiful model. That's what it says. All right. So what this guy sent me was a transparent yellow. I think it looks cool. Don't worry about it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a test. We have it up on our machine. This is our FL Sun. Only printer we have available right now. And we're gonna make a big model. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. It's huge. So we're gonna test his stuff out. We're gonna see what it looks like in the middle of the print, the end of the print. Right now, I'm telling you, it's a day and a couple hours print. It's gonna be long. When it's printed and when we look at it and see what what it did and what it didn't do right, if there's a problem, I will definitely be giving you the email, and then again you can check this name out. Sorry, I can't really pronounce that. It's a big name. It's a Chinese name, so it's, they got big names, and I'll tell you, these people are pretty cool. They're helpful. They're good people. You can check their stuff out on Amazon, amazon.ca, or whatever else you're using. That's what I use in Canada. This stuff was sent to me as a test, so I didn't have to pay for this one. Thank you to that. It's always nice that companies do that to help out. I'm going to show you for some reason, and I'm not going to be biased, but it's Chinese, so it's on backwards. Usually this is flipped around, so we're going to show you this side. Nice little box. It's pretty cool looking filament. It's transparent yellow, so we're just going to be doing that and showing you what's going on. So right now I'm looking at it, and that's a good stick, good start. Nothing's moving. Normal PLA, looks like it's going down pretty good. So what we'll do is we'll let this run. We'll check on it well, I'm going to bed soon because it's like 9:30, old man time. And we'll go from there. So we will see you soon on this one. Stay tuned. A bit of an update. There it is. Looking good. A little bit of stringing in there. We'll have to check out our stuff. Like, this is pretty thin, but it's holding it up, I guess. So it's stuck there pretty good. You'll see what it looks like at the end. All right, guys. So there it is. The Mandalorian helmet, or Boba Fett's helmet. So again, this is the filament that was given to us. Now, any kind of issues you see in these filaments, you know what? We don't blame the company for their filament at all best of times, like unless it came in bad packaging or whatever. I wouldn't do that. What I would say more is this is issues of my own. The settings, the retracting settings, what it looks like. Now, this is, it's a almost like a see-through. My buddy calls it, it's snot green, because it's really yellow, but it's snot green. So it looks like it's a nice color. But the thing is, this is a Thingiverse print. I can't remember who the guy posted it up as, so I'd give, not mine, it's credit to whoever did it, and I apologize, I don't have his name out. I should have had that ready. Again, you know, the settings is on you, how you have your retraction and everything. So I took everything down, I sanded it all down, and now I'm gonna go out there and I'm gonna give it a shot of some filler primer and then paint. Now, again, as you can see, hold on, I'm gonna turn you around. This file is way too small for somebody's head. Ouch. So what I would say with this is more of a sit on your desk kind of thing to look at, you know, whatever. We can size that up. And in fact, something's coming in a couple of days, today or tomorrow. I'll show you when I get it. Again, I'd like to thank him for sending this out. Thank our gift, I guess. Again, hard name to say. I've said it before. Go on Amazon, type his name, type that name in that I gave you, Zingerling. It's hard to pronounce, but tell you what, I said I would post it up on here. You know what? I'm not going to do that because I'll tell you why. Sometimes the price of the filaments are different. Now you can find them on Facebook if you're part of the Facebook crowds. You could look him up, type that name in, and then you'll see who you could talk to, as in who owns the company. Liam, I think his name is, Liam or something like that. Very, very nice guy. Again, because they're in China and I'm in Canada, we have a 13-hour difference in time. So trying to get a hold of each other was kind of tough. And to be honest, he said it himself, his English isn't very good. My Chinese isn't any good. So I think he understands. He's a businessman. He knows what he's doing. This stuff is good. I would give this stuff, you know, out of a 10, I'd give it an 8, 8.5. That's good. I mean, I'm not going to give nothing a 9 or a 10 because, I mean, that's just, I'd give you a 10 if you gave me this always for free. But no, I mean, it's good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray it up, and then I'm just going to shoot some pictures of it, and then I'll be posting this. And like I said, go to Amazon, type in the name I just said to you. You've seen it on the box. I'll put it in the description, the name of what it is. Check him out. Give it a try. I mean, you know, if you're looking for different brands of filament to try out, I'd recommend these guys. They're good. Look at that. This was a long print, and it's not even a full helmet. Maybe this might fit on my cat. Maybe I'll put on my cat. Anyway, guys, so thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share. Tell your friends that this guy's nuts, and he wants you to watch him. That's all I want, is people to watch and learn and tell me shit that I've done wrong on these things or what I can do better, because I've got people on here on my site, and they tell me, they give me information, and it's like, fuck yeah, man, I'll take it. You know what? Why not? Let's share information. Look at this. I found my old dragon ring. Ooh, sweet ass. I've had this my buddy bought me this long time ago. And that's my penny. I made this. That's my, on it. You can't see it because it's been punched a couple times, but this is my 1971 penny. Sweet ass. Okay, so anyway, check it out. I'll be posting it up. Don't forget, guys, if I can do it, you can do it. Yep. And choose your own path. Be good. See you on the next one. Right on. Bye-bye.